Are you ready?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, Chile.
Hi, everybody. Welcome.
Are you there?
How is everyone feeling today?
Happy.
Stressed. I'm tired.
I am excited.
Yes, that's what I want to hear.
We will learn how to introduce ourselves.
What will you do this weekend?
Where do you want to visit?
What's in your backpack?
Anyone else want to try?
I like when it's hot and rainy.
Draw your favorite activity.
Are we ready to share?
Talk to your partners first, talk to your friends.
We're going to keep practicing this.
Chan, chan, chan.
All right, we're on a roll. Wow.
This class is very fun. It's very fun.
Now, something fun is about to happen.
So we want to play a game. We're going to play.
Yes.
We are going to do this together.
What color?
Wow.
We're improving our ability to speak.
You can do it.
Oh, that's perfect.
Perfect. Excellent.
Woo! This was amazing.
You guys nailed it.
We did it.
Nice, well done. Give yourselves a pat on the back.
Round of applause.
Brain break. I have this.
Wow.
Everybody's happy.
See you all next week.
Bye-bye.
See you next week.
Ciao, bye.
Camilo, it's over. It's finished.
Ministerio de Educación, Gobierno de Chile. Chile avanza contigo.